What is up, guys? I am in a new location. I'm actually in my living room because there is bomb lighting all day long. Haven't done a sit down video in a while. So what's good, guys? I make these hair scrunchies. You guys should buy them. I have Pride ones because this is what this video is all about. I'll be having Pride ones up soon, so make sure to stay tuned. Follow my Instagram, So North Alaska, or just at Jordan Alleva in the bottom corner. Gosh, I woke up from a nap and it's summer solstice and I got my pink drink. I didn't use a reusable cup. Shame on me, but I did use a reusable metal straw. And it's pink. Life is just so good! And I'm so happy. And this lip injection, lip gloss from Too Faced is burning my lips. But we're all smiles. We're happy, positive, and nothing's gonna break my stride. Nothing's gonna hold me down. Oh no. I've got to keep on moving. I think it's also the scrunchie that's making me like kind of hyper because it's high and it's like right on the top of my head. But it's so cute. Anyway, today I'm going to be doing a sneaker unboxing. I don't like that there's a swoosh on the boxes now. Let's just jump into the unboxing of the sneakers. Excuse me. The tape says just do it. Like, this is just asking to get your package stolen. Like, I mean, I get it, Nike, but like, Kanye not? It's funny because Kanye is totally Adidas when he used to be Nike. Shout out to all the sneakerheads that know about that. I don't discriminate. I like Nike and I like Adidas. Not sponsored, but how cool would that be? That's like a goal. I just realized that I opened this. I cut it upside down. That's why it's difficult to open. Oh, guys, look! Oh my gosh, I knew what the box looked like. You know, I hadn't seen it. Well, I just ruined this box, so go me. Carol. Name that movie, guys. My sister would probably be the only person to know. Aw, the box is dented. See, there's a dent. Boo. But look how cool the box is. Definitely keeping this box. It will not go in one of those little plastic sneaker containers. Gilbert Baker. I'm pretty sure it's the guy who designed the Pride flag, which basically looks like a rainbow stripes. We got the box. Sorry if it's being loud. It says be true right there and be true right here. Sorry if I look up at the screen. I'm making sure that everything's in focus. So the Air Max 720 be true, men's 6.5, women's 8. That's me. I always have my mouth open in the thumbnails, but like, it's fun. Dog opening. You guys can kind of see it. Oh, Nikes. I love rainbow. I do. Liked rainbow forever. It's just a rainbow to me. The Air Max Be True 720. I don't have a pair of 720s. I want a pair. I want the red and white pair, but oh, they're expensive. They were $190. That's expensive, but so worth it because these are extremely dope. They just have a rainbow ombre from toe to heel. The purple. Definitely think that says Be True, but let's see. Stop focusing on my face. Translucent air bubble. Looks really, really clean. A little 720. Okay, well, there's a 720 right there if you can't see. You saw that Be True. And then the signature again of Gilbert Baker. I'm pretty sure it says Gilbert Baker. And a tiny swoosh right there. Little swoosh right there. On the tongue, it says Air Max right there. There's red insole, or actually it's kind of like a pinkish color. And it says the signature again, Gilbert Baker Be True. This is the left shoe, by the way. Right shoe, same thing. Basically, just as beautiful as ever. Ooh, except the only difference, I saw this online, is that on the inside, look on the insole, it says nature, magic, serenity, spirit, sunlight, healing. I don't know what the first word says. Sorry, but it goes like in a rainbow. You can see that? Yeah, so that's like a closer look at these beautiful Air Max 720 Be True for Pride. Someone on YouTube commented on a video and said they wanted a close-up laces and everything. Here is the close-up, them not being on my feet yet, but gosh, that is a beautiful shoe with a beautiful box. I am in love. These are definitely one of my favorites. I haven't tried them on yet, but let's try them on. I'm sorry about my concealer. It does look really yellow and like really white because my face is super tan and I'm not spending like $26 on a new concealer just for like 1 or 2 months of summer. That's like a lot of money. Anyway, I'm putting on brand new white socks to try on these shoes. One shoe on. It's very snug right now. I haven't stepped around yet, but like I'll get up. Ooh, 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 these got like, these feel like they got bounce to them. Obviously you don't have the other one on, plus it'd probably look way better with a black sock, but like I'm trying to get it real close so you know how it looks. Okay. Okay, I'll turn my foot this way. I'm trying to get some good lighting, but my floor isn't very attractive. Looks good, yeah? Okay, I'm gonna put the other one on. I realize that I hate the floor like all over my house. You know, it's summer, it's not swept. Let's just be real. Ain't nobody got time for that when the sun's shining 19 hours a day. This is what they look like. Got a little aerial view for you. It looked way better with black socks, but can't do everything, you know? Oh, okay. Watch out for my vacuum. Do a little 360 here. I bet I look really stupid if someone came down the steps. I'll try my best to be athletic and get it from behind. Get the view from the back of the shoe. No innuendos. No innuendos or mine. Gross. Stop it. They look really good. Not gonna lie. They give you major height. So for all you short people out there, I would get some 720s. Well worth it. Yeah, they're comfy too. Ooh, boy, they're a little sticky, but they are comfy. I feel like I can like bounce like 10 feet in the air. Okay, they're comfy. They look dope. That's all that matters. And they fit well. They fit very well. I'll definitely have to break them in a little bit, maybe walk around somewhere, but okay. You guys get the point of the on feet. So that was my unboxing, little in detail, in depth of the specs of the shoe, my try on feet, all that jazz. Thank you so much for watching. Happy Pride. I'm an ally. I think that's the hashtag. Love is love. Love whoever you want. Do whatever you want, cause it should be equal. Yep, that's how I feel about it. Like this video. Go Pride. Go Nike. Go everybody. Come on now, it's fun. It's beautiful. It's life, love, awesome. Like if you love love. Like the video, comment if you think the shoes are dope. I love Nike, love rainbow, love shoes. Subscribe because you're my friend and I really want you to be your friend, and I would love to be your friend because I don't have very many friends. So I make YouTube videos and I talk to people. Actually, I'm not even talking to people, I'm talking to the camera. But I'm talking to you guys because you're watching. Right now I'm talking to no one but you, the viewer. Like, comment, subscribe, or don't. I don't control your life. But it would be very nice if you did, and I would be grateful for it. Enjoy your day. Happy summer. And I'm signing off on this sneaker Sunday, which I'm gonna start. But I'm not gonna buy shoes like every Sunday because that's a lot of money and I don't have any money right now. So like that's why I need to get another job and not spend money on shoes, but it's so hard not to. Like this for Sneaker Sunday, subscribe for more sneakers, and I'll see you guys in my next video.